So, at the end of the first semester, we planned to go for a landscape painting as a college project. And yes, our destination is Chitlang. Before heading to Chitlang, we'll be needing a canvas sizing 18 by 24 inches. And for the preparation of canvas, firstly, we'll be needing a stretcher bar and a canvas cloth, which is probably gonna be stretched onto the stretcher. To get started, we'll be needing access of canvas pliers, a staple gun, ruler, and a pencil. Measuring the appropriate length for the canvas and stretching tightly is a must. And with the help of those materials, we are successful in framing a canvas. After traveling 28 km from Kathmandu, we reached Chitlang Valley, located in the northern part of Mukwanpur district, surrounded by lush green and natural beauty. As per plan, we stayed at Chitlang Organic Resort. We roamed, got freshened up, and went to look for a perfect place for a landscape painting. That was the first day of painting on Chitlang. At the very beginning of the second day, we went to our chosen places, where some of my friends went to the market area, near the river, and on the hillside. Talking about me, I wanted to capture some greenish moment in the canvas. So I decided to arrange and set up the canvas in between this beautiful greenery hill. After some hours of painting, it started to rain, so we decided to get back to the tent and waited for the rain to stop. And that was the second day of painting on Chitlang. On the third day, we only had a few hours left before heading back to the home. So, waking up early in the morning, grabbing canvas, paint brushes, and other tools to reach on our landscape locations became our first priority, as it was raining the previous day and our painting wasn't completed. Overall, the trip was amazing. We sat by the campfire, shared some spooky stories, sang songs, went for the nightscape, experienced some scary lightning and thunders, but all in all, it was memorable.